How to add or remove the App Store widget in standby mode on the iPhone 16 series. Now while you are in standby mode, what you want to do is you want to go to your widget screen. So this is the widget screen, the one on the left hand side. And then you touch and hold on the App Store widget. So here we touch on it. Next, from the widget stack, you want to swipe up or down until you can locate the App Store widget, and then tap on the remove button. And here say remove App Store widget. So tap on remove. Now if you want to add in the widget, you can tap on the add button here. Then we go down and tap on App Store. Next tap on add widget. And that's it. So we have now added back the App Store widget. And then tap on done. To open up your App Store widget, you can flip up or down to rotate between the different widgets in the Smart Stack. And that's it. So here is the App Store widget. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.